3.5 part 2. So up to third questions we finished. Now fourth question. The fourth question is given as x equal to a squared plus 3a minus 4 whole divided by 3a squared minus 3 and y equal to a squared plus 2a minus 8 divided by 2a squared minus 2a minus 4. This is given in the question to find x square y power minus 2. So we take this one. So solution. Now we simplify the x, that is a squared plus 3a minus 4 whole divided by 3a squared minus 3. We have to factorize the numerator, that is equal to, the product is minus 4, the sum is plus 3. So the factors are 1 into 4. Plus symbol is given there, so write it as plus 4 minus 1. So the factor for numerator is a minus 1 into a plus 4 whole divided by, from the denominator you can take 3 outside, so 3 into a squared minus 1, 3 into a squared minus 1. That is equal to a minus 1 into a plus 4 whole divided by 3 into, this can be written as a squared minus 1 squared. So we can split it as a squared, a plus b into a minus b. So this can be written as a squared minus 1 squared. That is equal to a minus 1 into a plus 4 whole divided by 3 into a plus 1 into a minus 1. Cancel a minus 1, the remaining answer will be a minus 4 whole divided by 3 into a plus 1. This is the value for x. Now take y. Y is given as a squared is equal to a squared plus 2a minus 8 whole divided by 2a squared minus 2a minus 4. That is equal to, the product is minus 8, the sum is plus 2. So we can take it as 4 2s are 8. So write it as 4 2. Here take it as plus, because here it is minus sign in the sum. So for the biggest number you give the minus sign. The next one will be, the sum is positive, so give that sign for the bigger number. So for 4 I give it as positive, the next one is remainder, then only we will get, while adding you will get the answer as plus 2, while you multiplying the answer will be minus 8. So this can be written as a plus 4 into a minus 2. whole divided by, from the denominator we can take 2 as the common factor. So, take 2 outside, a square minus a minus 2. Now, you have to factorize the denominator, a plus 4, a minus 2 whole divided by 2 into, the product is minus 2, the sum is minus 1. The factors for 2 is 1 into 2. The sum is negative, so that give the negative sign to the greater number. Then here for 1, the answer will be plus. If you add this 2, the answer will be minus 1. If you multiply this 2, the answer will be minus 2. So, the factors are a plus 1 into a minus 2. Cancel a minus 2, a minus 2. The remaining numbers will be a plus 4 whole divided by 2 into a plus 1. This is the value that for y equal to a plus 4 into 2 into a plus 1. This is the value for y. Now, we have to find, this is the value for y, to find, or we can take it as consider. Consider x squared y power minus 2. This can be written as x squared divided by y squared. This is negative power, so we can write it this one. This can be written as x by y whole square. We know the values for x and y, where you are substituting, you will get the answer. So, for x, the answer will be given as a plus 4 into 3. So, substitute the value, a plus 4 whole divided by 3 into a plus 1 whole divided by, next one, this y value, a plus 4 divided by 2 into a plus 1, the whole thing raising to the power 2. So, this can be written as a plus 4 by 3 into a plus 1 into, write the reciprocal, writing the reciprocal into 2 into a plus 1 whole divided by a plus 4. A plus 1 get cancelled, a plus 4 get cancelled, whole square, that is equal to, remaining term is 2, denominator the remaining term is 3. So, 2 by 3 whole square. This can be written as 4 by 9. 2 squared will be 4, 3 squared will be 9. Therefore, x squared y power minus 2 equal to this one. This is the answer. So, once again we check this one. They give x value, y value, cancel the common factors. That means you will get x and y in its lowest term. Then you want to find the value for this expression. So, write this expression, do the simplification, you will get the answer. Now, come to the next sum, fifth. The fifth sum they give the one polynomial p of x. So, they given us p of x equal to, one polynomial is given x squared minus 5x minus 40. If the polynomial p of x equal to x squared minus 5x minus 14, when divided by another polynomial q of x, we get it is reduced to x minus 7 by x plus 2. Find q of x. Q of x is the, q of x is the another polynomial. Is the another polynomial. by data or by the given condition, when P of x is divided by Q of x. So, P of x is divided by Q of x, it is reduced to. So, the answer will be x minus 7 whole divided by x plus 2. Now, you have to find P of x, Q of x. So, write P of x, write it in the fraction form by Q of x equal to x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. P of x polynomial is given as x square minus 5x minus 14 divided by Q of x, that is equal to x minus 7 divided by x plus 2, that is equal to. Now, you have to factorize the polynomial P of x. The product is minus 14, the sum is minus 5. The factors for 14 are 7, 2. Minus sign is sum, so give the negatives to the greater number. So, the answer will be, that is x minus 7 into x plus 2. The product and the sum divided by Q of x is equal to x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. We want Q of x. So, Q of x equal to, you can cancel x minus 7 and x minus 7, because in between these two terms we are having equal sign. So, Q of x is equal to, writing reciprocal, or you can cross multiply it. Q of x equal to x plus 2 into x plus 2 equal to x plus 2 into x plus 2. This can be written as x plus 2 whole square. So, Q of x equal to, you are getting the answer as x plus 2. So, it is a polynomial, you can expand this one. This is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4, a square plus b, a square plus 2ab plus b. So, this is written as x square plus 4x plus 4. This is the required polynomial. So, answer Q of x is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. So, up to this sum, this exercise over. You know how to simplify a rational numbers. How to simplify a rational expressions, we know. Same thing, you have to do this one. Addition and subtraction of rational expressions. This one, there are two cases. First one is like denominator. If the rational numbers means it is of the form p of x divided by q of x not equal to 0, it is the rational expression. Rational number means it is of the form p by q not equal to 0. So, in rational expressions or rational numbers we have denominators. So, I take first one cases like denominators. If the denominators are same, that is like denominator, simplify the numerator. just you have to simplify the numerator. Simplify the numerator. If the denominators are not like it, that is unlike denominators, that's another case. Unlike denominators, first step you have to find the LCM for the denominator. Second step, rewrite each fraction, that is rewrite the numerator, rewrite each fraction as an equivalent fraction with the LCM obtained. LCM के ஏத்த மாதிரி you have to write the numerator. LCM with LCM obtained. These are the two steps you have to follow to do the sums in exercise 3.6. Now you have to check the steps again. If the denominators are like, simplify the numerator. If the denominators are unlike, find the LCM for the denominators. Then rewrite each fraction in the numerator as an equivalent fraction with the LCM obtained. Now exercise 3.6. First sum, there are three subdivisions. First subdivision, simplify x into x plus 1 by 2 x minus 2 plus x into 1 minus x divided by x minus 2. Now you see the denominators for the first expression is x minus 2. For denominator for the second expression also it is x minus 2. So same denominators. So you take that same denominator as LCM, x minus 2. Now compare the numerator, you have to simplify x into x plus 1 plus x into 1 minus x. Bring the x, multiply with x, x squared plus x minus x squared whole divided by x minus 2. Plus x squared minus x squared get cancelled, the remaining term will be 2x divided by x minus 2. This is the answer. Second one, second subdivision, x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Here the denominators are unlike denominators. So take the LCM. So for LCM it is linear factor. So take the two fractions as it is. 3 plus x plus 3 x plus 3 into x minus 2. Take it as LCM. Now you have to cross multiply. First expression numerator is x plus 2. Compare the denominators. In the first denominator x plus 3, here all in LCM also x plus 3. The missing term is x minus 3. So x minus 2. So write that x minus 2 plus second numerator x minus 1. Now compare the denominators. Second denominator x minus 2. In the LCM also x minus 2. The missing term is x plus 3. So write that x plus 3. That is equal to, now it is a plus b, a minus b. we can write it as a squared plus b, a squared minus b squared. So I write it as x squared minus 2 squared plus here multiply these two expressions. So x வச்சு multiply பண்ணுங்க, x into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3 whole divided by x plus 3 into x minus 2, that is equal to x squared minus 4 plus x squared plus 3x minus x minus 3 whole divided by x plus 3 into x minus 2, that is equal to x squared you can write it as 2x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus the plus 2x minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 whole divided by x plus 3 into x minus 2. So here the denominators are different, so you have to take the LCM. I take the LCM as x plus 3 into x minus 2. So cross multiplication you are getting x plus 2 into x minus 2, x minus 1 into x plus 3. So multiply and you have to simplify, you will get this answer. So the answer is x squared plus 2x minus 7 divided by x plus 3 into x minus 2. Third subdivision x cube divided by x minus y plus y cube divided by y minus 6. Now see the denominators x cube by x minus y. Here it is differ only from the sign. So I take plus minus sign outside. Y cube by, if we take minus outside, minus வெளியில் எடுக்கிறப்ப minus x, it will become plus x. So I write it as first plus y will become minus y. Next step, you bring the denominator, we are having minus sign, bring it to the numerator. So x cube by x minus y, that is minus y cube divided by x minus y. Same denominator, so write the denominator, simplify the numerator, x cube minus y cube. We know the formula for a cube minus b cube, that is x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared whole divided by x minus y. X minus y get cancelled, the remaining term will be x squared plus xy plus y squared. This is our answer. Apply the formula. Now second question, first subdivision. 2x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole divided by x minus 4 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 whole divided by x minus 4. So 2x plus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 4 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 whole divided by x minus 4. Same denominator, so write the denominator x minus 4. Simplify the numerator. So 2x plus 1 into x minus 2 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. That is equal to multiply by 2x, multiply the 2x plus 1 by x minus 2. So 2x squared minus 4x plus x minus 2. Bring minus sign inside the bracket, minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 2 whole divided by x minus 4. So 2x squared get cancelled, minus 4x plus 3x, it is minus 3x, minus 3x plus 5x, the answer will be 2x minus 4 whole divided by x minus 4. From the numerator you can take 2 outside, 2 into x minus 2 whole divided by x minus 4. Now second subdivision, 4x by x squared minus 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So now split this one denominator, 4x divided by, it is of the form a squared minus b squared, 1 can be written as 1 squared. So we can write it as a plus b, that is x plus 1, a minus b, x minus 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Now you have to take the LCM. So LCM means common factor into uncommon factor. So both the denominators x minus 1 is common. So write x minus 1. Remaining uncommon factor is x plus 1. Now compare the denominator. For the first expression, the same denominator only you are having. So write it as 4x minus x plus 1 in the for the second expression, x plus 1 term is missing. So I write it as x plus 1. That is equal to 4x minus, it is x plus 1 into x plus 1. So this can be written as x plus 1 whole square whole divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1. That is equal to 4x minus a plus b whole square, that is x squared plus 2x plus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1. That is equal to 4x, bring minus sign inside, minus x squared minus 2x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1. That is equal to 4x minus 2x, you can write it as 2x minus x squared minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1. Here x squared coefficient is negative, so I take minus outside. So it will become minus x squared will become plus x squared, plus 2x become minus 2x, minus 1 will become plus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1. That is equal to minus, if the product is plus 1, the sum is minus 2. So for 1 the factor is 1 into 1, minus 1 minus 1. So this can be written as x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 get cancelled, the remaining term is minus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So this is the answer. Third sum, subtract 1 by x squared plus 2 from 2x cube plus x squared plus 3 whole divided by x squared plus 2 whole square கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. The subtraction கொடுத்தாலே எப்பவே from க்கு அடுத்து வர்றதா முதல்ல வரும். So write this one, 2x cube plus x squared plus 3 whole divided by x squared plus 2 whole square. First expression, from க்கு அடுத்து வர்றது என்ன expression அது எழுதினோம், minus 1 by x squared plus 2. அப்போ take the LCM, the denominators are not same. இங்கே x squared plus 2 whole square இருக்குது, அங்கே x squared plus 2. So take x squared plus 2 whole square as LCM. LCMத்தில் greatest power தான் எடுக்கணும். So the numerator will become 2x cube plus x squared plus 3 minus 1 into x squared plus 1 தான் இருக்குது, இங்கே whereas in LCM x squared plus 2 whole square இருக்குது, அப்போ ஒரு பவர் குறையுது. So you write that one, x squared plus 2. Now bring the minus sign inside the bracket. So write it as x squared plus 2 whole square this will become 2x square cube plus x squared plus 3 minus x squared minus 2. So x squared get cancelled, the remaining term will be 2x cube plus 1 whole divided by x squared plus 2 whole square. So this is the answer. Fourth sum. Which rational expression should be subtracted from this one to get the answer? So கொடுத்திருக்கிற polynomial we take it as p of x. So let p of x equal to x squared plus 6x plus 8 whole divided by x cube plus 8. So by data, so p of x ல இருந்து ஒரு இன்னொரு பாலினாமியல் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணா the answer will be 3 by x squared minus 2x plus 4. So which rational expression should be subtracted from? அதை கொடுத்துருக்கிற p of x ன்னு எடுத்துருக்கோம். அப்போ we take this one as q of x. So right, let the required polynomial is p of x. Let the required rational expression. Rational expression is q of x. Expression is q of x. So p of x minus q of x equal to 3 by x squared minus 2x plus 4. So now write the value for p of x. So p of x is given as x squared plus 6x plus 8 by x cube plus 8 minus q of x into equal to 3 by x squared minus 2x plus 4. The product is 8, the sum is 6. The product is plus 8, the sum is plus 6. So 4 2s are 6. So both are plus. So I write it as x plus 4 into x plus 2 whole divided by, this can be written in the form x cube plus 2 cube minus q of x equal to this one, x squared minus 2x plus 4, that is equal to x plus 4 x plus 2 whole divided by x cube plus 2 cube. So I write it as x plus 2 into a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a squared, x squared minus 2x plus 4 minus q of x equal to 3 by x squared minus 2x plus 4. So x plus 2 get cancelled, the remaining term is x plus 4 by x squared minus 2x plus 4 minus q of x equal to 3 by x squared minus 2x plus 4. I want to find q of x. So, keep minus q of x equal to, bring the unnecessary term to the next side. So, 3 by x squared minus 2x plus 4 minus x plus 4 divided by x squared minus 2x plus 4. So, same denominator, take the denominator, simplify the numerator, x squared minus 2x plus 4, numerator is 3 minus x plus 4. Bring the negative sign to the next side, inside the bracket, 3 minus x minus 4 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 minus x, whole divided by x squared minus 2x minus 4. Take negative sign outside. Plus 4, yeah. Plus 4. Plus 4. That is equal to, take negative sign outside. Minus into x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 2x plus 4. This side you are having minus q of x. So, both the sides you cancel the negative sign. So, the answer will be q, therefore, q of x equal to x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 2x plus 4. So, answer, the required expression is, the required rational expression is x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, thank you students.